I got this little Miata and I'm intended to do some stuff with it. But to start with, this very dirty engine needs to be cleaned. And I was struggling. I had no idea how safely and effectively to clean the engine of a car. Till I found Jim. I found Jim on Instagram and I thought I would ask a few questions how to clean the rusty bolts. Very specific and very professional. Coke, vinegar or what else? Toothpaste. And he said I can come over and he'll help me. At the end of the day, we decided we want to share with all of you how effectively, nicely, precisely and beautifully clean the engine of your car. Because for me it was even scary. You know, I was thinking, okay then. It is some electricity and stuff.
Yep.
And you don't want to ruin anything, you don't want to make it worse, but at the same time it does need to be cleaned.
Yeah, you've got to put bags over certain things so that it's safe.
So you cover some things with the bags, okay. How about the pressure?
Do it from far away.
Would you say it's possible to do at home? Like,
yeah, you can do. Sort of the main bit of it would be down to some of the products you use. If you don't have some of the better degreasers and things like that, then it would just take a lot longer.
okay. It's not an advertising. They have no idea we're doing this video, so we're just showing what Jim uses, and we'll show you before and after how effectively it works. How long, like if you drive to the place and you need to clean the engine, how long do you have to wait until you can clean it?
Doesn't really matter. The heat actually helps because it softens up the grease.
Oh
and the dirt.
really?
Yeah.
So it's okay to clean the...
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I had no idea. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So you did mix a degreaser with water, but now just spraying it.
Yeah, we'll just let it soak for a little bit.
Okay.
Let it get in there.
A little bit of how many minutes?
We'll give it 5 minutes.
Okay. 5 minutes for soaking. 5.
See that going brown there?
Yeah.
Taking the grease off already.
Valley Pro Citrus Pre-Wash we're using. Guys, if you're not interested in cleaning the engine still, it's a video of satisfaction, especially if you have a little bit of OCD like you do.
This stuff is sticky. Might need to go stronger.
Products, it means you don't have to scrub like mad with your brushes and everything. The product itself needs to lift it up.
Yes, the main sort of difference between valeting and detailing is how you remove the dirt.
Okay.
And if you can allow products to do the work for you, then you've got minimum contact on the paint, which causes less damage and scratches.
Yeah. Oh, live and learn. This is why it's good to go to a professional, because you learn. A lot more fun on a sunny day.
This is actually a really good day for it because it's not too hot and it's not too cold.
When it's too hot, it just dries too quickly?
Yeah, it's a real pain if you're trying to do like full decontamination stuff where you would want to soak it. if it's too hot, those chemicals just dry up,
Oh, okay.
and that can be really bad for the paint.
Okay, so if the day is not suitable for anything else, the day is suitable for cleaning your car engine.
Yeah.
Why is the brush not the sponges and stuff? Just to get easier to access, or?
Yeah, the brush just sort of helps get between all the little bits.
You use it for motorcycles as well, the brushes.
Yeah, doing all the engine with this.
Next thing I'm getting is the set of brushes. Because I always struggle, especially with the engine part.
Yeah.
It's complicated, and I think now I know what I was doing wrong. I was using all the wrong stuff. Spray and brush, patiently. That's how it happens. Silly's bang. Citrus tar glue remover. Oh yeah. Snow foam here. Oh, look at it! Little Hoover-looking thing looks a lot more professional than my leaves blower that I'm using on the Harley.
That is a £40 pet hairdryer.
What is it?
Yeah.
Oh! Okay. Well, it looks more professional than my leaf blower.
They just upmarket. There's another one of those products that gets upmarketed for cars.
Yeah.
You know, the exact same thing.
Exactly.
It
The
could
blower
be
is
10
the
times
blower.
the
I'm
price.
using the leaf blower. You're using a pet blower.
Well, some people will complain on forums saying that leaf blowers aren't filtered, which means you can end up blowing bits of dust and crap onto the paint.
Okay, so
This
the
does-
pet blower
this does
does
have a
have a
filter.
filter.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
that
it's
makes
also
sense.
heated as well, which helps to dry.
Okay,
But
so it
it's
is more professional.
a touch, but it doesn't need to be car branding.
Her engine looks so much better. Can't have enough.
No, can't stop. The more you look, the more you see.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. I enjoy doing it.
This is a man who enjoying doing his job. Don't forget that we're doing the interior. You stand next to me so you're in the frame. Don't forget that we're doing the interior, exterior, and the wheels and what do you call them? Discs?
Alloys?
Alloys and wheels cleaning videos next. subscribe and follow and hit all the buttons that you have to hit, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Cheers.
Should be alright.